I am Ms.Chetana and I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Computer Science from SSBT's College of Engineering and Technology, Jalgaon. I am selected as an incubation batch from Qspiders. So when I came, I have worked trainer, Tejas sir as a Java trainer and Ravi sir as a SQL trainer. Their guidance, mock interview preparations helped me a lot to secure this job. Their curriculum activities, hands-on practice sessions, and their personalized guidance helped me securing my placements. Focus on practical skills, industry-relevant projects, and mock interview preparations give me a confidence to perform well in the selection process. Trainers are truly dedicated to their subjects and they help a lot to their students. They help their students when we have queries. So I want to say thanks to Qspiders as they have selected me for incubation.